In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers to a Discord server. Stickers are a fun way to bring personality to your community, and adding them only takes a moment if you have the right access. Before we start, make sure you're on the correct server and that you have permission to manage stickers. On most servers, that means having the Manage Emojis and Stickers permission, or being an admin. Also, keep in mind that the stickers section only appears if your server has sticker slots available, which can depend on your server's boost level. First, open Discord on desktop or in your browser and enter the server where you want the sticker to live. Double-check you're in the right place so you don't accidentally upload to the wrong community. Next, look to the top left corner and click the server name to open the menu. From that drop-down, choose Server Settings to open the control panel for your server. In the left sidebar, click Stickers. If you don't see it, you either don't have permission or your server is out of sticker slots. If that's the case, ask an admin to grant access or free up a slot. Once you're on the stickers page, click the Upload Sticker button. A file picker will open. Select the sticker file from your computer. Discord supports PNG for static stickers and APNG for animated ones. For best results, use a square canvas, aim for a transparent background, and keep the file size small. Around 0.5 MB or less is a good target, so it uploads cleanly. After choosing the file, fill in the details. Give your sticker a name that's easy to remember and type. Add a related emoji so Discord knows when to suggest your sticker as people type or search. Pick something that matches the mood or theme. The description is optional, but it's a great place to add a short alt-style caption to help accessibility tools describe the sticker to anyone using a screen reader. When everything looks good, click Upload. That's it. Your new sticker is now available in the server's sticker picker. Members can find it alongside other stickers when they're composing a message. If you run into issues, check 3 things. The file format should be PNG or APNG, the size should be within Discord's limits, and your server must have an available sticker slot. If the Stickers tab is missing, you'll need the proper permission or for an admin to upload it on your behalf. And that's how to add stickers to a Discord server. Quick, clear, and ready for your community to use.